What's the meaning of Burger King? Burger King. Burger King.
Burger King. Burger King. Burger King is a global chain of fast food restaurants that specializes in hamburgers. The name Burger King was chosen to convey the idea of royalty and quality, with the burger representing their signature menu item. The company was founded in 1954 in Florida, and has since expanded to over 17,000 locations worldwide. Burger King's menu includes burgers, chicken sandwiches, fries, onion rings, and shakes. They are also known for their signature burger, the Whopper. Burger King is committed to using high-quality ingredients and consistently providing fast and friendly service to their customers.